Good morning. I've had a couple of questions. Oh man, there's oil on there's oil. Don't hate me, the stove needs to be cleaned. I should have made this video a long time ago. Actually I did, but I was drunk, so I didn't post it. But I've had a couple of questions lately about these aluminum discs. Let's start with why. Vision's Cookware. This came with my 9-inch skillet. In the actual directions, cautions and precautions, it does say, for best results, prepare foods that are stirred, scrambled eggs, sauteed foods, or prepare recipes that have liquid as a cooking medium, braised meats, stovetop casseroles. That's because Vision's does not heat evenly. Even the range toppers, okay? Even with the aluminum stuck to the bottom of the range toppers, doesn't heat evenly. It heats better. The range toppers heat better. Still not perfect, and these aren't perfect, but they really help because the coils, the spaces in the coils, the center, that center stays cool when you're frying things. If you watch some of my videos like steak and I'm moving it to the side of the pan, that's why. There's a seller on eBay. I'm not affiliated. I do not get any money back, but he sells these 1/8 inch aluminum discs. He's probably not the only seller. You can get custom sizes to fit your burner. These two I've been using for a long time. What you do is you sand the bottom with coarse sandpaper. Essentially, you're recreating what Farberware did by scouring the aluminum base. It just doesn't want to slide, and that's what you want. So it's not perfect, but the weight of the skillet on here, this disc is less likely to move. I mean, I have to press I'm pressing down and it's not moving. That doesn't mean it won't. And don't touch it while it's hot, because it's hot. It's like touching the burner itself. The first ones I bought, I measured to the edge of the black here on the rim, and they're slightly larger than the burner. And I bought some new ones. I do not have any sandpaper. You need coarse sandpaper. Fine sandpaper, medium sandpaper will not work. And then I just sand it in crisscrosses, so you get kind of a pattern. So this one needs to be sanded. This one is smaller. I wanted to get one that was closer to the actual size of the burner. Less heat waste. Same with, where is it? Same with this guy. That's a new one. And it's smaller, because like these were the first ones I bought, and it's pretty much like a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch past the burner itself. So these are not a cure for our beautiful Visions, but they sure do help. They do even the heat. I don't know how these will work on a fire burner, because the fire burner is so much more concentrated in a circle. It still should help. Just wanted to give you a quick tip. I will leave a link to the seller I bought these from. And be careful out there, people. Thanks for watching.